Hello everyone, so welcome to today's session on the CSS ID selector with the help of the pound sign. So using the pound sign. Okay, so I would open my browser, and then if you see what we have here, we are going to use the pound sign in our CSS to change certain things. So as you see the ID selector here, you can reference it by using the pound sign, and then using the pound sign, your ID shouldn't start with a number. Okay, so I'm going to clear this, and then I'll go to my index.html. I'm going to clear all these IDs that I've given to these text or tags, and then I am going to do that for this. So I'm going to give an ID to this. So my ID is going to be ID equals, and then in the quotation commas, I'm going to call it ipsum. You can use any name, but it's okay when you use a name that you can actually reference it. So I'll put a pound sign, and then I'll put the name here. So you notice that I didn't type, I actually copied it. So it's best to copy it because if something you might have typing error. Okay, so the best thing is to copy and then paste it. Okay, so now when I go here and then I refresh it, so this particular line is the color is changed. Okay, as you see here. So let's try that for my h1 tag. So my ID, so inside the opening tag, I'll just put ID equals, and then in the quotation comments, I'm going to call it CSS, or let me use all. Okay, so all. And I'm going to copy it once again, and then when I go here, I'll reference it with the pound sign. Okay, and then paste the name here. Okay, then I'm going to give it a value. So here let me see, either change the color or maybe I'll change the font size. So let me change the color. So okay, so I'm changing the font size and then the color. So as you see here, so I'm going to use one em and then end it with it, terminate it with the quotation semicolon. When I refresh it, you saw what just happened. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.